Want your home to feel smarter, cozier, and more connected? These Amazon smart home gadgets take comfort to the next level, adjusting lights, temperature, and even routines with just a tap or a voice command. Sit back, relax, and let your home do the work for you. All products are linked in the description below. Who knew a tiny light could make such a big difference? This modern plug-in nightlight automatically turns on when it's dark and off when it's bright, so you never have to touch a switch again. You can dim it from a soft glow to full brightness with just one slider. The warm 30,000 Kelvin light is gentle on your eyes and perfect for late-night walks or cozy corners. It's sleek, simple, and smart. Just plug it in and forget it. Your tired feet are about to get VIP treatment. This heated foot spa turns any spot into your personal mini spa. It warms up fast, fills with soothing bubbles, and vibrates to melt away tension. 14 built-in rollers massage every pressure point while the pumice stone smooths away rough skin. It's foldable, portable, and comes with a remote so you can relax without lifting a toe. Working, gaming, or just scrolling, this folding sit-stand desk adjusts to your mood in seconds. Use it while sitting, raise it for standing, or tilt it for reading or sketching. The wide surface easily holds your laptop, keyboard, and coffee without wobbling. When you're done, it folds flat to slide under a bed or behind a door. Smart, sturdy, and built for every lazy or productive moment alike. Meet the faucet that moves like a robot arm. This 1080-degree swivel extender lets you twist, turn, and aim water exactly where you need it. 2 modes switch between a smooth bubble stream for gentle washing and a powerful spray for rinsing tough messes. Built from durable brass, it resists rust and corrosion while filtering out impurities. Easy to install and even easier to love, it makes any sink instantly smarter. Painting your toes shouldn't feel like a workout. This clever footrest lets you do pedicures at home without bending, stretching, or losing your balance. The adjustable platform keeps your feet steady while the built-in LED light and magnifier help you see every detail. There's even a mini fan to speed up drying and storage for your nail tools. It folds flat, stays sturdy, and makes every DIY pedicure effortless. It's not just a speaker, it's your home's new command center. This smart voice hub fills the room with rich, balanced sound that automatically adjusts to your space. You can control lights, locks, and smart devices with a simple command. No extra hub needed. It pairs with other speakers for full house sound or even a home theater setup. Clear audio, clever design, and total control all in one sleek device. This charger looks like a sleek miniature car, but doubles as a powerful 3-in-1 wireless charging station. It juices up your phone, earbuds, and smartwatch all at once, no tangled cables needed. The MagSafe mount even rotates for easy video calls or movie watching, while the ambient glow adds a futuristic touch. A perfect mix of design and function for any workspace or bedside setup. Your bookshelf doesn't have to be boring. This rotating bookcase turns storage into a centerpiece. It spins a full 360 degrees, so you can reach your favorite read from any angle without moving an inch. The cloud-shaped shelves add a soft, modern touch that brightens any corner. Perfect for bedrooms, living rooms, or study areas, it keeps your space tidy while showing off your style. This isn't just a coffee tablet, it's a full living room upgrade. The top lifts up to become a mini workstation, dining spot, or game table in seconds. Hidden compartments and 4 roomy drawers keep clutter out of sight, but always within reach. And when the LED lights come on, it transforms your space with a modern, colorful glow. Sleek, smart, and seriously functional. This ceiling fan takes comfort and style to the next level. Its sleek, low-profile design fits perfectly in any room while giving you full control through a remote or app. You can adjust both the brightness and color of the light, from cozy warm tones to bright white. 6 quiet speed settings let you find your ideal breeze. It's smart, silent, and made to keep you comfortable year-round. Who knew taking out the trash could feel this high-tech? This motion sensor bin opens automatically with just a wave of your hand, no touching, no mess. The brushed stainless steel finish resists fingerprints, keeping it spotless day after day. Its smart design gives you more room inside while staying sleek on the outside. Quiet, clean, and effortless trash duty just got an upgrade. Washing your hands just got a futuristic twist. This automatic foaming soap dispenser works completely touch-free, giving you instant foam in just a quarter of a second. The LED display shows the time, battery, and settings, so it's smart and stylish. You can adjust the foam amount, recharge it easily, and mount it anywhere. Clean hands, no mess, no effort, just wave and go. Breathe cleaner, sleep better, and feel fresher with this powerful air purifier. Its 3-in-1 HEPA filtration system captures dust, smoke, pet hair, and allergens, leaving your air crisp and pure. The high-torque motor works fast, quietly refreshing the air even in large rooms. Switch to sleep mode, and it runs whisper silent through the night. Simple, sleek, and made to help you breathe easy every day. Whip, mix, and blend like a pro with this electric hand mixer. 6 speeds and a quick burst button give you total control, whether you're making cookie dough or fluffy whipped cream. The 250-watt motor handles tough batters with ease, and the bowl rest feature keeps messes off your counter. When you're done, everything snaps neatly into the built-in storage. Tired of shoes piling up by the door? This sleek flip drawer cabinet hides them all in style. With 2 smooth opening drawers and double layers inside, it fits everything from flats to boots while keeping dust and clutter away. The slim design is perfect for tight hallways or entryways, and the sturdy metal legs add a modern touch. Clean, compact, and effortlessly organized. Add a little magic to any room with this 3D illusion nightlight. It projects a glowing teddy bear balloon that looks 3-dimensional, even though it's completely flat. You can switch between 7 soothing colors or set it to gently fade through them all. Powered by USB or batteries, it's perfect for bedtime comfort, cozy moods, or gifting someone a soft, colorful glow they'll love. No hookups? No problem. This portable mini dishwasher is made for small kitchens, RVs, or anyone short on space. Just fill the built-in tank and let it handle the mess with 6 smart wash programs and powerful 360 degrees cleaning. It even uses high-temp steam to sanitize and finishes with air drying for spotless dishes. Compact, quiet, and effortless. Your countertop just got an upgrade. Tired of throwing away spoiled food? This smart vacuum sealing system locks in freshness, so your meals last up to 5 times longer. Just place your food, press the button, and watch it automatically seal out air for perfect preservation. It's got modes for both dry snacks and moist meals, so you get the right seal every time. Compact, easy to use, and complete with a starter kit, you'll waste less and save more. Who needs an open flame when you can melt candles the smart way? This candle warmer lamp gently releases fragrance by heating from the top down no smoke, soot, or fire hazards. You can dim the light to set the perfect mood or use the timer so it shuts off automatically. The adjustable height fits most candle jars, and its sleek design makes any room feel cozy and elegant. Cleaning windows just got futuristic. This smart window cleaning robot sprays, wipes, and shines your glass all on its own. Its triple nozzle system dissolves dirt instantly, while intelligent path planning maps every inch for spotless results. With edge detection and a steady climbing system, it safely cleans even frameless windows without slipping. You can control everything right from your phone. Sit back and watch it work its magic. Turn any room into a cosmic dreamscape with this astronaut star projector. It fills your ceiling with colorful galaxies and glowing stars, creating a calm, otherworldly vibe. You can adjust brightness, rotation, and even set a timer to fall asleep under your own starry sky. The astronaut's head tilts to aim the nebula wherever you want. It's part nightlight, part space adventure, and totally mesmerizing. Doing a quick wash has never been this easy. This mini portable washing machine is designed for underwear, socks, and small garments, perfect for travel, dorms, or small apartments. It deep cleans with powerful rotation and blue light sterilization for extra hygiene. You can choose a 5 or 15-minute wash right from its touchscreen. Compact, rechargeable, and waterproof, it lets you do laundry anywhere, anytime. Need an extra bed that feels just like the real thing? This queen-size air mattress inflates in just minutes with its built-in pump, giving you instant comfort anywhere at home or on the go. The raised design and air coil system support your body evenly for a restful night's sleep. When morning comes, simply deflate and pack it away. Durable, comfy, and ready whenever you are. Who's at the door? Now you'll know instantly. This smart battery-powered doorbell gives you a clear, head-to-toe view of whoever's outside. You can see, talk, and listen in real time straight from your phone. Motion alerts keep you updated the moment someone approaches, even if you're away. Easy to install, easy to recharge, it's your front door's new best friend. Need a reset in the middle of a busy day? These meditation pods create a private sanctuary where you can relax, recharge, and refocus in minutes. Inside, soothing sounds, gentle lighting, and calming scents work together to quiet your mind and ease tension. Perfect for offices, hospitals, or wellness centers. They bring mindfulness to modern spaces, helping you find clarity and calm, even in the busiest environments. Tired of constantly vacuuming after pets or kids? This smart robot takes care of everything for you. It uses Matrix Clean navigation to map your floors, make multiple precise passes, and pick up even the smallest debris. The self-emptying base holds weeks of dust, while the HEPA filter traps allergens. Plus, you can control it hands-free or by app. Just set it and let it do the dirty work. Imagine a world where furniture isn't just functional, but comforting on an emotional level, like being hugged by your favorite pet. That's the idea behind a giant cat-shaped lounger. Picture a soft, oversized feline you can sink into, designed purely for comfort and playfulness. It's part cozy retreat, part art piece, a concept that blends whimsy, relaxation, and design into one giant huggable experience. Late-night cravings or quick meals just got easier with this mini electric hotpot. It's compact, heats up fast, and even comes with a steamer so you can cook noodles, eggs, veggies, or soup all in one go. The non-stick surface makes cleanup simple, and dual heat settings let you simmer or sear effortlessly. Perfect for dorms, offices, or small apartments, your go-to lazy day cooker. Feeling stiff after a workout or long day? This lightweight massage gun is built to melt away tension fast. With 3 easy speed settings and ergonomic grip, it hits all the right spots: neck, back, legs, and more. It's quiet, simple to use, and connects to an app for guided routines that help relieve pain and loosen tight muscles. Compact, soothing, and perfect for everyday recovery. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and check out these next videos for more incredible finds and clever solutions for your home. See you in the next one.